Whynter portable air conditioner with 14,000 BTU cooling power offers impressive performance for medium to large rooms. I have provided the link to this portable air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Designed to deliver strong and quiet cooling, this unit operates at a low noise level of just 51 decibels, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or any space where peaceful comfort is important. Beyond cooling, the Whynter unit includes a powerful built-in dehumidifier that can remove up to 71 pints of moisture per day, helping to maintain a comfortable and healthy indoor environment by reducing humidity effectively. One of the key advantages of this model is its dual hose system, which improves cooling efficiency by separately exhausting hot air and drawing in fresh air from outside. This feature reduces the energy consumption compared to single hose units and ensures faster, more balanced cooling throughout the room. The unit is also equipped with an activated carbon air filter and a washable pre-filter that help improve air quality by capturing dust, allergens, and odors, making it especially suitable for allergy sufferers. With 3 operational modes: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan, and adjustable fan speeds, the Whynter portable air conditioner offers versatile control over your indoor climate. The temperature can be precisely controlled within a range of 61 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to tailor comfort levels to your personal preference. The unit's compact dimensions and included window installation kit make setup straightforward, even for those who aren't experienced with air conditioner installations. This portable air conditioner runs on environmentally friendly R-32 refrigerant, which is CFC-free, reflecting Whynter's commitment to sustainability. Though it does not carry an Energy Star rating, it maintains a reasonable seasonal energy efficiency ratio (SEER) of 7.69, balancing cooling effectiveness with power consumption. Overall, the Whynter ARC-14S model combines powerful cooling, quiet operation, and smart dehumidifying capabilities in a sleek platinum and black design that fits seamlessly into any modern space. Whether you need relief during hot summer months or want to control humidity year-round, this unit provides an excellent all-in-one solution for your comfort needs.